Today we are going to be unboxing some Pop Mart figures. And if you don't know, Pop Mart is a Chinese toy company that sells designer toys, typically in a blind box style. They also collaborate with artists and create figures that are super popular. So we're really excited. A lot of the things that they sell have been sold out a lot, but we have some Kubo figures. This is the Breathing In series, and I have three. I was able to get three, and Fat was also able to get three. This is the lineup for the series. This is the one that I want. His name is Flipped. That's one I really want the most, but I'd be okay with anyone. Again, not saying the one I do or don't want. So we'll see. So here we go. First one. So these do come with cards. I try not to look at them. See it? I can't see it. Oh, okay. This one is very cute. I think this one's called The Final Rose. He's a little cute guy with the rose. A little teardrop. And it comes with a little card. And apparently these are scented. Here's the second one. This is the one I wanted. We got Flipped. This one is my favorite one. It's Remy's favorite one too. He's so cute. He looks a little angsty, carrying some bouquets behind him. I'm so happy. This is the one I wanted the most. Here's the card. I think I might keep them in the package because, they'll keep their smell. All right, here's the last one. This one is super cute. This one is called Laurel Whispers. I think this is the one that Fat wanted the most, and he's so cute. I think he's flocked. Yeah, so flocked is kind of like a fuzzy texture that is on the figures. And so this one is flocked and fuzzy, and he's super cute. Honestly, these three were like in my top that I wanted, so really happy about that. Yay! So these were my pulls. Honestly, I'm just super happy with this guy. Super happy. Fat wants the Sea of Oblivion, the Tonight or Never, or the Laurel Whispers. This one is Eternal Amber. He looks cute, very fitting for the fall. He looks a little, like translucent. You can kind of see it. But he's so cute. He's just like this little tough guy, angsty little boy. Very cute. And this is his card, Eternal Amber. Okay, next one. Like that, yeah. There you go. This is our first unboxing, so you know. You think it's a dupe? We did buy them separately, so there are chances of a dupe, but hopefully it's not a dupe. This one is the cotton one. It's called Soft Embrace. It has cotton inside, so like it's a translucent base, and he has cotton fuzz inside. Very cute. He's sleeping. Oh, so cute. And then this is his card. Super cute. Super cute. Okay, you like matcha? Yep. Oh. Wow, time for tea. But he's so cute. This one is called Endless Summer. Super cute. And this is the card right here. No dupes. No dupes. That's really good. And I don't know about you, but I'm happy with this guy. Flipped was the one I wanted, and I was able to pull the Laurel Soft, the bunny looking one, Laurel Whispers, which was the one Fat wanted. This was a successful opening. Alright guys, here's the ones that we got from the unboxing. Overall, they're super adorable, and we were surprised by the quality of these figures. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos.